Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test of this device. So now I'll just try to unlock the device with my fingerprint here. As can you see, I just can't do this successfully because I set up my fingerprint here to the power button a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we can see how far the switcher is. So let's start. I'll just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint works really fast here. One more important thing, I just simply touch the power key button here. I just don't press it. Oh, sorry, just take a screen, sorry. I just not press it, I just simply touch it. So as can you see, where this fingerprint scanner works really good here, and we can unlock the device less than in 1 or just in a couple of seconds. So that's really good result, and I suggest you to try the fingerprint unlock if, for example, you don't like some unlock methods like the pin codes or passcodes. So you can try that, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin codes or passcodes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.